Hey guys, what's up? Reason is back, and today I'm gonna actually compare a dollar store fidget spinner, this Camo one, versus, as you guys all know, the $15 one. I did a video on this one, but this one is really slow. In normal dollar store, like in normal videos, like dollar store fidget spinner versus $15 or like $20. This one, the dollar store one always wins, but for this one has a cheap amount of time. We have a lot of things. Like that. I'll just quickly bring a knife and I'll come back to see inside, to compare the inside of the dollar store and the $15 one. I'll quickly be back. Alright guys, I'm back with a knife here, and I'm gonna see what's inside the dollar store spinner. Let's get into it. So I got the knife, and you just want to slide it into the cap and just kind of like pull it out. Then the button is going to pop out easily. So pop out easily like that. Do it to the other side. Up. Then it's all done. Let me just get the other cap. So I got two of the caps out here, and then I got a fidget spinner. You can see that's the holder for the little ball bearing. That's the ball bearings. You can see, let's get the sunlight away from you guys. You can see that the ball bearings are literally the dollar store ball bearings are clean, and the holder is clean too. So that's good. That's actually good. Let's open up the $15 one. Most of the time I'm gonna be doing some videos about the fidget spinners and some tricks and how to spin them, but today I'm just gonna be comparing the $15 versus the dollar store. I got two of the caps out. This is the $15 one. If I can just zoom in right here. There we go. The $15 one is looking like this. All greasy. I tried taking all the grease off, but I forgot to buy WD-40. So I didn't get to take all the grease off, and there's some yellow grease inside there. I really don't. There we go. See that yellow dot there? That's like half the grease. Then there's some at the back, like that. So basically that's, whoa, I never I've never seen this, but there's so much grease in here. Like, look at all that yellow stuff there. I'm gonna be comparing it. I'm gonna put a timer on and see how it works. I can't show a timer on the screen, so I'm gonna cut this video out, post it, then I'm gonna make another video about time of the fidget spinner. Yeah, so please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. The giveaway is still on for this one here, the 15 bucks one. The giveaway is still on. Yeah, please like, subscribe. Did I already say that? Oh, no. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. And catch you guys later. See ya.